Learning Zili Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Masechus Gitin Perek Ches Mishna Yod Get Kirech Hakoil Mashlimin Alav. So we had in the prior Mishnah, concept of Get Kirech is not a good get because we are choishesh that maybe the Baal said Kulam Chasumo, and over here is missing one of the Edim on one of the folding overs, one of the tyings. But Mishnah over here says the Bananas holds that anyone could fill in that missing signature, even a Eved, even a Gazlan. It doesn't have to be a kosher, it could be a karav, but it can't be an Eved or a Gazlan. Why not? So the Gemara explains, because the Eved, people are going to say, if they're on there, maybe the Eved was freed, and the Gazlan, people are going to say, maybe he did tshuva, and it's going to lead to a michshal elsewhere. The Gemara explains that by a get kireach, or a get mekusha really, the halacha is, besides that, the reason we said in the prior Mishnah was to delay kohanim from giving a get right away, so it's harder to make. Also, you need to have 3 edim instead of 2 edim. A normal get only needs 2 edim, but over here you need 3 edim. So this way, Shema b'seich kach, while he's looking to find the 3 edim, he'll come down from his kas. That's what the Gemara in Bava Basra says. Rashi brings it down over here. But if the Gemara is saying over here that even according to Rikiva, if that third aid is a karev, it's okay. But the Gemara explains dafka the third aid. But if you have 2 aidim that are karev and only 1 aid that's kosher, even that's for sure not good, because people are going to be seimech on the 2 krevim. The Mishnah ends off, what we already know that Ezo Get Kireach is Kol Shekshar Meruba Me Edav. On one of the tying over, you're missing Edim. So therefore, there are more ties than there are Edim, more folds than there are Edim. Perek Tes Mishnah Aleph Hamagarish is Hishtei Ba'amar La Harei Muteres Chol Adam El Lepoini. If someone says, I'm divorcing you, except you can't marry a certain person, Rabbi Eliezer says such a get is still good. He learns out from the pasuk that says Isha Grusha Mi Isha Lo Yikachu, that a kohen can't marry a Grusha Me Isha, even if she's only in his garsha from one husband. Also, it's a get, and you can't marry her. Chachamim say no, that's dafka legabe Iser Kuna, like we said in the prior share. That's called Reach Haget, and a kohen cannot marry such an Isha, but Avada, it's not a kosher get to allow her to marry other people. Ketzad, but according to this, if he would make a tanai and say, I'm being megarisha amanas, if he used the word amanas instead of chutz or ella, if he would say amanas that you don't marry someone else, then it will be a good get, even though she's not allowed to marry certain people. Ketzad yasa, what should he do to make it a good get? Yitlei men of yasu yinenla, he has to give it to her again, v'yomerla, and tell her, muteres l'chol adam, you're muter to everyone. Let's say there was a tanai written in the get, and it wasn't mekuyim, even though before he gave it to her, it was erased, pasul, because, Taisus explains, because it was written in the get. So that makes it that it was not a krisis, because the ksiva was al tanai, and the tanai wasn't mekuyim, even though it was erased.